Hello and welcome to Timmy's Den again for an unboxing of a 2010 Hot Wheels. Today we have this Lamborghini Reventon Roadster from the 2010 new model series, dark metallic gray. Some cool things you can read about it, its birthplace, and when it was born, 2009. Here's some of the other ones you can get in 2010. This has a 2009 copyright right there. Let's get this thing open, see how cool it is. I'm assuming with that point right there that that's going to flip on my racquetball, but we'll see. That back wheel didn't want to roll at first. Steering is on the left. And the metal is the gray. The dark gray is all metal. And it does have some nice weight to it. It's actually a cool feeling car in my hand right now. All wheels rolled well. Well, after we unstuck the one, they now roll well, I should say. And the headlights are painted, so the taillights are also. Plastic bottom. This car is made in Malaysia. Let's see how it goes on the track. Yeah, the flip over. Ooh, I'm liking it backwards first. Oh, this car right here sent it back on the track. Wipe out. Oh, did you hear that? That's never good when it hits the weight on the floor. I feel it like a blind guy. Just feel like chips. I close my eyes and I feel. I don't feel any chips at all. That's how I check for glass when I'm doing my yard sailing and flea markets and stuff. I close my eyes and I try to feel. I feel for chips. So if they say this car is brand new and I didn't see any chips, I might want to hold it and feel around it and look for chips. This is a cool car, man. It does some flip over right there. It does some serious drifting. Look at that. Perfect drift. And it wants to park. Ooh. Yeah, nice donuts. Woohoo! Thanks for watching me play with it. And check it out for the first time. I don't think I even have one of these. I must. I just haven't opened one recently. Please subscribe to Timmy's Den again. Thank you for watching. T10 out.